Okay, well, this is my winter break, which is going to give me about a week between today, which is Monday, and the following Monday, and then I have a week off in April. So if you haven't guessed by now, it's pretty obvious that I'm a teacher, and these two breaks are critical for me in order to get the boat where I want it to be for the summer. Last year, I was buying the boat in March, which gave me my spring break in April, which I spent mostly doing paint removal, old paint removal, old mold removal, and I ended up repainting, rewiring the engine. And by then I wanted to get the boat in the water and have some fun with it, so a lot of the bigger projects that I was over optimistic about getting done, or at least getting started on, I did not start on, because I didn't want to start something and then have it unfinished while we were using the boat. So this week my absolute objective is to strip the deck of all the hardware and teak and wood trim that is on the deck to get it ready for refinishing. If I have time, I also want to address two soft spots in the deck, one in the bow port side and one in the stern port side. And there's a delamination on the starboard side of the bow that I should be able to get to that. I mean, that's just a matter of getting some resin underneath the laminate and weighing it down so that it adheres once more to the core, which is plywood. That is the goal today. We will see how far I get. But today, I want to get the coamings from the cockpit. I want to get those removed, and maybe some of the trim around the companionway hatch. Starboard coaming shouldn't be a big deal. The port coaming is going to be a problem because the forward portion of it is bolted down or screwed into the cockpit bench there, and those screws I don't have access to unless I cut my way through kind of an artificial bulkhead. It's a divider between the lazarette storage area and what would be parts of the engine compartment and entry into the main salon, saloon. I always say salon. I don't like to be called saloon. It's not a saloon. Saloon is a bar. Salon area. And probably going to have to cut my way through there and put it back, which I'm not pleased about, but I don't see another way to get at that coaming. The other option would be to completely remove the useless ice box in the Tartan 27, which is on the port side in the salon area, right next to the companionway stairs, which I've thought about a lot because it just seems to me to be dead space. I could do a lot with that area, but I'm not prepared to remove that big a piece from the cabin, at least not now. So I'll see if I can get at it through the lazarette, fingers crossed, and we'll see what I can do with it. Very gloomy day. This is going to be one of the warmest days this week. It is raining. I've got a tarp on the boat, so we're going to take advantage of the temperature because I went down yesterday. There was ice formed in a trough, tore up the side of my tarp, which I was kind of expecting. I mean, it's doing its job this season. I'll need to repair it, and I'm going to use it next season. And but you know, you don't like to see things get torn up. You know, let's just bought them a couple of months ago, and they're already being ripped up over the pieces by the ice. Okay, here we are. As you can see, I've got the boat covered completely with the tarp. The mast is on a couple of towers. I've got some ribs to spread out to give me as much room as possible on side decks when I'm ready to take care of those. It's been raining. Man, has it been raining. It's very humid. So I've got water pretty much everywhere. Oops. Okay, I gotta fix that. I got water pretty much everywhere. A lot of condensation in the cabin. I want to do something about that. Oops. But now, I'm going to be trying to get this coaming removed. Right here. And I had somebody come out here and look at it, my stepfather actually, the Kiwi. He said that there's plenty of wood there and no need to have it replaced. However, you probably can't see down there. I am going to have to get underneath here and remove those screws, which shouldn't be a problem. Now, this is what I was talking about. That's solid. And I'm going to have to find, well, I might have to cut through it. Hopefully not, but it looks like I don't have much of an alternative. Now, the other issue is these screws here, which I painted over last summer like a doofus. So me from the past screwed me in the present right now. Same thing here. So I'm gonna have to I'll just get in with the Dremel, clean out the ridges, and get my flathead in there. It should be all right. Okay, so this is what I was afraid of. This is the starboard side. Those are the screws. 8 of them, just like over here. Okay, now I have better access on the starboard side than I do on port. And here we go. Uh-oh. Man, look at that condensation. Jeez. Alright, I need to get some dehumidifying stuff in here. Alright, so screw, and those are the winch bolts. And none of those are accessible on the other side. Don't quite know what I'm going to do, but I may have to remove that just to get the coaming out. Well, I'm not going home empty-handed, so starboard's coming out then, and I'll have to come up with a game plan, some kind of plan of attack for port side.